Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to set up SMB for network file sharing on Windows 11. It allows you to share files in the same network systems like same Wi-Fi or hotspot. First, to do some setups, go to the settings option, then go to the network and internet, then go to the advanced network settings, then go to the advanced sharing settings. Then in private networks, turn on all of these options, and in the all network section, turn on the password protected sharing. Otherwise, anyone in your network can access your shared folder without password. So it is important to turn it on. Now go to the Windows features, find this application and open it. Then find the feature named SMB Direct. Make sure this is enabled. By default, this is enabled. And if you are sharing file to an older Windows system, so like Windows 8 or less than Windows 8, then you should turn on these two features, then click OK. But in my case, I don't need these features, so I'm not going to select these features. Next, for best practices and easy connectivity, it is highly recommended to create a local standard account without Microsoft account, because if you are using Microsoft account to log in to your PC, then you might have set up the features like PIN, face recognition, or passwordless sign-in. Then during SMB connection, it asks for password, and if you are using a Microsoft account, there might be problem to change the Microsoft account password. You don't know if that password can be used in login when we are going to connect SMB. So it is better to create a local standard account. To create local standard account, go to the settings and then go to the accounts. Then go to the other users. Then here you can add an user. Click on add connect. It asks for Microsoft account, but do not give this Microsoft as a Microsoft account. Click this option. Then do not create any Microsoft account. Then create this second option, added a user without Microsoft account. Then give an username. And give an password. Then set some security questions. Then click next. Then the test account is created. For sharing a folder, you can go to your file explorer and select or create any new folder. In my case, I'm going to select this pictures folder. Right click it, and in the properties, go to the settings and go to the advanced sharing settings. Then select this. Then go to the permission option. Here is the permission to everyone. In this, I'm going to add an user. Then go to the advanced. Then here go to the find now option. Then you will find all the available users. And I'm going to select this test account for the users. I'm going to give you the access. Then select OK. And here is also OK. Then this select this account and allow all the full control, then apply. Okay, then apply. Okay, now this folder is shared to this user. Now you can close it. And note one thing, if you are using a public network like a train, airport or college Wi-Fi, it will not work because we did not enable the public sharing options. So it will not going to work. And remember, your mobile hotspot is also treated as a public network. So make your mobile hotspot a private network. You have to change the profile type of your hotspot. So go to the network and internet settings, and then go to your Wi-Fi options. Then go to the manage known networks options. Then select whichever hotspot you want to use. In my case, this is mine. And by default, it comes with a public network. You have to change this to private network to access the SMB system. Now go to your terminal to check if your folder is shared or not by run this command. As you can see, the folder that I shared, that is visible here. And now you need to know your LAN IP address. So run this command again. Then you will find the wireless LAN adapter's IP address, that is IPv4 address. Take a note of this IP address because it will be needed to log in SMB connection. Let's jump into the devices where we're going to connect the SMB connection. And remember one thing, Samsung and iOS devices File Explorer has the built-in settings for network storage connections, and for other devices you have to use any third-party softwares for SMB connection. And for that guidance, I'll give you the link for the guidance. First, in your device, go to the My Files option and go to the network storage option. Then click on Add icon. Then click on Network Drive. First, it will try to detect any shared file automatically. As you can see, it found a network drive in this IP address. Click on that. Then it will ask for username and password, and other things are automatically populated. And in your username and password, you can give the local standard account that you created. Then click on add. Then it will add the all shared folders. It will see all the shared folders here. And also you can see the pictures folder that we shared in the network drive. And you can also see another folder called network share. It is created for another user. If you try to access this with this test account, it will show you an error that access denied. So this folder is not accessible, even it is shared, but it is not accessible by this user test account. And here you can see there is two PCs. The first one is connected through my LAN Wi-Fi, that is LAN Wi-Fi, so it is showing here I was connected before. And if I try to open it, it will show you error because this IP address is not available to my PC, so it will show you error. And thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, and if you have any query, comment down.